Honor has launched the successor of Honor X30i smartphone in China as Honor X40i with a stylish rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Honor X40i features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with a large 93.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor X40i supports a dual camera setup and an elliptical module at the top left corner that includes one 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Magic UI 6.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4000 mAh battery that supports 40W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 74.5 by 7.43mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor X40i has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Rose Galaxy, Silver, Green, and Magic Night Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Honor X40i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSoulBlog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.